Good morning, students. Welcome to online class. This is your computer online class. Students, today we are going to start the new chapter, that is lesson number 8, exploring your event computer. Okay, so we will learn how to explore your computer in this chapter. So let's start. Windows uses files and folders to organize the information stored on a computer so that you can work efficiently and locate the information quickly. Everything which is stored on your computer is easily accessible through the computer folder. Okay, students, that is why it is called a window to your computer. The computer folder is a top level folder in Windows. To open a computer folder, you have to do what? Double click the computer icon. Okay, as you can see in this desktop here, you can see in your computer desktop this type of option will be there, and earlier it is called my computer. So you have to click on this and you will get this file open. Okay, this page will open, and you will find the hard disk. Okay, and hard disk drive and floppy disk drive, DVD drive, and at the left hand side you get favorites, desktop, downloads, documents, music, pictures, whatever you have, you will save in your computer, you will get from this type of folders and files. Okay, understood, students? So you can, so what is the floppy disk drive? You have, if you double click the floppy disk icon to get the contents of the floppy disk, you can also store different files in this disk. Okay, you can different types of files save in this disk. And if you open the hard disk, it contains will open, and it has a larger amount of storage capacity than a floppy disk. Every computer has at least one hard drive. It is generally named C drive. Okay, or you can save at D drive also. So our next topic is understand parts of a folder. Okay, yeah, here the picture is given here one, and their function is given in this arrow. Okay, so what is this? A folder window shows the content of the folder. It also has a variety of parts that are designed to help you navigate around windows or work with files and folders more easily. Okay, you will find this type of names, that is back and forward buttons, then address bar, column headings, search box, toolbar, navigation pane, file list, detail panes, etc. This type of function you will get in your window, okay, to open the files and folders. So we will learn here in detail. First is address bar. The address bar is at the top of every folder. It is used to navigate to a different folder without closing the current folder window. Next is back and forward buttons. You can use this backward and forward buttons to navigate to other folders you have already opened without closing the current window. Okay, next is search box. You can use this search box quickly locate or search for folder and files stored in the current folder. Okay, जहाँ भी आप जो भी फोल्डर्स एंड फाइल्स सेव किए हैं आप उसको नेम से इस सर्च बॉक्स में के ज़रिए आप क्या उसको फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं. ओके, द नेविगेशन पैन lets you navigate directly to the folder that contains the files you want. Okay, the favorite links section lets you access common places. इससे क्या कर सकते हैं आप? नेविगेशन फाइल से आप इसमें अपने फेवरेट फाइल्स को सेव कर सकते हैं और जब भी आपको ज़रूरत हो उसे तुरंत क्विकली open कर सकते हैं. Okay, and that you can see here the file list. Okay, this type of file list and functions around your window. Okay, next we will learn about file list. What is file list? The file list displays all the files within the current folder. You can navigate to other folders by double clicking on them. Next topic is toolbar. The toolbar allows you to perform common tasks such as copying, deleting, and renaming a file or a folder. The organize and views buttons are always visible on the toolbar. The other buttons appear to show only what's useful for what you have selected. Okay, for example, if you click any picture, the toolbar shows different buttons than it would if you clicked a music file. Then details pane. The details pane shows the most common properties associated with the selected file. File properties give information about a file such as author, the date you last change the file, etc. Last is column headings. Use this column heading to change how the files in the file list are organized. You can sort, group, or stack the files in the current view also. Okay, so students, up to here we will learn today. In the next video we will continue this class. Till the next video, have a good day, students.